My name is Elijah. Welcome to my channel. Today, you will meet my family. This is my mom.
Hello everyone, I am Elijah's mom. I love helping my children learn.
This is my dad.
Hello, I am Elijah's dad. I like reading stories with my children.
This is my little sister. She loves playing with toys.
And this is my baby sister.
Hi!
She is the youngest in our family.
Elijah, what will we learn today?
Today we will learn simple English words.
Learning together is fun.
This is an apple. Apple! This is a ball. Ball! Ball! Yes, this is a ball.
Great learning!
My dad loves plants.
Plants need water and sunlight.
Look at these flowers. They are beautiful.
This is our living room. This is our kitchen. We spend a lot of time together here. Come with me. Let us go to our garden. Our garden is behind the house. My dad loves plants.
Plants need water and sunlight.
Look at these flowers.
They are beautiful. So pretty. Today you met my family. We learned some simple English words. Learning English can be fun.
Thank you for watching.
See you again.
Keep learning.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Please like this video.
Subscribe to our channel.
Bye.